Flax seeds are tiny seeds that have been consumed for thousands of years. But as of late, people are discovering the importance of flaxseed oil and its powerful essential omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, which are excellent for your hair, skin, heart, and digestion. Zatural flaxseed oil is extremely high in ALA omega-3 fatty acids, which have been associated with numerous health benefits. Flaxseed oil can enhance the immune system. Because of the nutritious and balanced omegas, flaxseed oil has been shown to assist with heart health. Zatural flaxseed oil may be effective in assisting both constipation and diarrhea. It is excellent for skin care and has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Zatural flaxseed oil, fresh, pure, and the absolute highest quality.